Hey everyone, today I'm going to be showing y'all the Skinner blend technique. So first we're going to take 2 colors of clay and roll them out evenly. Then you're going to need to cut them in half diagonally and stack the 2 halves on top of each other like this. And then I'm going to take these 2 pieces and I'm going to put them together like this. And I'm going to stretch it out quite a bit because it will spread out a lot later on. Once I have it nice and stretched out, I'm going to start rolling it and folding it in half and rolling it again. And you're just going to repeat this rolling and folding process again and again until in the end you will end up with this beautiful gradient. And if there's any air bubbles at the end, just take your tissue blade, cut them, and blend them back in. And then I would probably fold it and roll it one more time just to make sure everything's nice and smooth. And that's it. That's how you do the Skinner blend technique. I decided to cut earrings out of mine, but it is totally up to y'all what y'all decide to do with yours. Thank y'all so much for watching this video. I really hope y'all enjoyed it. If y'all did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this.